Hello guys, welcome back to Chris Hair Buyer. So this is another beautiful corkscrew twist video. So guys, if this is your first time coming to my channel, like, you're welcome, bienvenue. So in this video we are using Brazilian wool hair to braid or achieve this beautiful corkscrew twist. And I use a total of two pack, like what we just saw. Total of two of these, yes. So guys, I'm not cutting this Brazilian hair. So here I'm actually taking the length I want the twist to be in. So that's the shorter part of the hair I'm measuring with her natural hair, and this is the longer part. So we are not cutting it. This is another trick to help you not like use too much of the Brazilian wool, like not to waste your wool, because when you cut the wool before braiding, at the end of the day you end up having like many leftover parts that you've cut, and you are obviously going to throw it away, and that is how to waste your wool. So if you want to economize your wool thread, don't cut it. You just measure the length you want the twist or your braid to be in, and then you start braiding. So guys, actually, so as when you braid, as at this point, you remove two strands of wool from the shorter part of the hair. That's a shorter wool. Then you twine it or you wrap it over the braided part. That is just to cover up the braid or to give extra hold. And then you get the longer part and start twisting over the shorter part, as you can see me doing here. So you twine and twist over, you twine and you twist over, you twine and twist over. So you just keep on doing this till you get the length you want. So I am using the longer part to twist over the shorter part that has the natural hair. As you can see, the natural hair is with the shorter part, and I'm using the longer part to twist over the short part. That is because these twists take a lot of wool, and when you use the longer part is best because you determine the length of the wool, and also cutting it will just end up wasting the hair. So that's where her natural hair ends. Guys, I don't really want this hair to be like too thick or too long, because it's too hot here in Douala. Yes, I don't want anything distracting her while at school. So I'm just securing the edge of the braid, and I go ahead. After securing it, I cut the leftover. You see the longer part still stays there, and we just have a small leftover from the shorter part, and that's just what we are throwing away. This is so economical. When you go ahead and pre-cut your hair before braiding, guys, you'll be wasting more hair. So this whole hair I used just two wool, and everything came out so beautiful. So guys, the process continue, and hey, if you've watched right up to this level and you are not subscribed to my channel, please just go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a full part of what we are doing here. Yes guys, and don't forget to turn your notification on. Click that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will be the first to know, to be notified, so that you just come and watch directly. So guys, thank you all for being here with me. Thank you for watching right up to this point, and please do well to share this video. Let this video reach as many as possible. And if you don't get anything in the video, you can ask me more questions in the comment section, and I will give you clarification. So guys, go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Yes, turn on your notification. Let's keep growing. Be part of the work that we are doing here. When using wool to braid your hair or twist your hair, always make sure you moisturize your hair very well because Brazilian wool can be so dry, like it can rip out all moisture from your hair. Always ensure to moisturize your hair very well before braiding, and even after braiding, you always make sure you moisturize and oil your scarf. So I normally do that to my baby's hair like twice a week, and I make sure I always moisturize her hair. And guys, when I take down this twist, her hair is so beautiful, like minimal breakage. We have no breakage because of the maintenance why her hair is in this Brazilian wool or in this twist. So guys, moisturizing while braiding when using wool thread is a must. Yes, it's a must. So thank you for watching up to this point. Guys, if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button to become a full part of this video. So keep watching and make sure you watch the video right to the end. One thing with my videos, and I always emphasize, is this: when you are watching my video, always be sure to take instructions. Like if you want to get it and get it very well and do yours perfectly, then you always need to get the instruction and watch the video through. So guys, watch this video to the end and follow the step-by-step direction and instructions so that when doing yours, you will achieve the same result or even a better result. So I'm asking a favor from you all. I want to know how this twist is called where you are. I am based in Douala, Cameroon, and I want to know how this twist is called where you are. So let me know in the comment section how you call this twist. It will be my pleasure. Thank you for watching. So keep watching. I'll see you at the end of the video. I love you all. Bye.